Of course, as soon as I start, someone calls me. Is Ann Arbor gonna go off? I don't know. Is Ann Arbor gonna go off? Here we go. There's Vets Parks 2001. Vets Park got new batteries. It's way higher pitched. That's a 130. Oh, shut up, plane. I hear a DC. I definitely heard a DC and a 130. But I don't know where a DC could be. That Vets Park one, that's an SRN. They got new controllers. We ain't got new batteries, and it sounds way higher pitched than what it used to sound like. I still hear something. I could have sworn I heard a DC, or that could have been a low pitch SRN. Well, anyways, that was cool.